Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to use IFERROR function in Microsoft Excel. Suppose in your formula you are getting some error and you want to display your own text instead of this error. You can use IFERROR function. Here I type here is equal to and I want to divide 100 by 2. Just click here and divide it by 2. You will get 50. If I drag it to the bottom, you will get all the result. But if you divide the 300 by 0, you will get error. 600 divided by 0, you will get error. And I want to display my own message instead of this error. We can use IFERROR function performing this task. Just double click here and type here IFERROR IFE and press tab key. It will display IFERROR. Value is this formula, comma, and value IFERROR. I want to display blank. Just type double quote and close the bracket and press enter and drag it to the bottom. Now you will display blank cell instead of error. But I want to display my own text. Just double click here and type here you can't divide by 0 and press enter and drag it to the bottom. You will get your own text. That's why you can use IFERROR function in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.